Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm showing you how to do this beautiful summer spring look. You can wear it anytime, but I just think it's cute for the summer and the spring. And I'm starting on freshly co-washed hair. I'm using Design Perfection's leave-in treatment and I'm using Mosara's hydrating butter. You've seen this blow dryer before. It's from Revlon. I'll leave it linked down below from Amazon. It's also available at Walmart. It's the same price, so whatever you're comfortable shopping at. And this is how it looks like. So I was just going for drying it, not really like particularly blow drying it. I wanted it dry and a little bit stretched out, and that's the look that I had. So now I'm just going to make a small line to do a flat twist. You can do a cornrow if that's what you're more comfortable with, but I'm more comfortable doing a flat twist, so that's what I'm going to do. You're going to need a piece of Mali hair just to do the little bang at the front, so you need to add that at the end. If you don't know how to add it, like just to add it in while you're doing the braid, I have a video where I did like I crocheted it in. I'll leave it linked down below so you can check that out on how I did that.
It's taking longer than you thought. Don't be afraid, it's okay. You need to know that you've got so much time to make your own way. So every time you're looking down, yeah, lift your head and look around and go.
So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side as well, just because I wanted to have two braids. So at the beginning when I did this, I thought I'm going to have like two braids going to the front, but at the end of it, I just felt like it was too much, so I did one. Actually, when I was looking in the mirror, I thought it was too much, but when I look at the video, I was like, I really like the two of them, so I might go back and just add the bits again. So after that, I'm just sectioning the hair at the top just because I want to work with the hair on the sides. I'm just going to take some gel and just lay it down and then pull it into like a little bun in the middle. I'm using my trusted Mocha de Gorilla gel. You can use any gel that you use or age control. I usually don't use age control. Actually, I just use gel as my age control. So whatever works for you.
Waste your life worried about what they do. Actually, it ain't worth your time. You know what I'm saying is true. So every time you're looking down,
I'm using a rubber band to tie the end of it. You can use a hair tie if that's what you have. And then I'm just going in with a toothbrush and just sort of like brushing my edges on the little flat twist that I did.
and go get what you're missing.
I find that rolling the hair makes it just lay much flatter because I didn't want it to be rising. I wanted like the sides to be like laid, if that makes sense. And then I tied both of them together in the middle section, as you can see. I added a little bit of gel at the front to lay my baby hairs again. This you can skip, you don't need to do it. In fact, if I was not making a video, I would not have done it, but just because it's a video, you want to make things kind of look perfect. And then I just laid my scarf, like I closed my scarf for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then now I'm going to work on the top.
It's taking longer than you thought. Don't be afraid, it's okay. You need to know that
It's pretty much just playing with it until you achieve the look that you want it to look like. Your hair does not need to be long to do that, which is why I actually really love our afro hair, because when you place it, it stays in place. So you can have hair that is shorter than mine and still achieve the same look. And the other option is to actually make like a smaller bump if you have shorter hair.
go get what you're missing. Everything you want, it can be found.
I'm just using bobby pins to make sure my hair lays in place. I would not use the styling pins like for this one, just because like I want my hair to lay flat at that section. And then after that, I'm just playing with it and then using my comb to sort of pull the bump a little bit forward.
You'll know it when you know. Go get what you're missing.
So when I got to this point, I realized that this little twist is too short and will not go all the way. So I had to go in and add another piece of Mali hair onto the twist just to make it longer.
If love is what you want, it can be sold. And you'll know it when you know.
So after that, I'm going in with these beads. They're from Gold Magic or some Magic Gold or something like that. They are wooden and I have them in two colors. Like putting them in is so annoying. Oh my god. But I got like 10 of them in, and so this is what it looks like with two sort of like bangs at the front. When I did it, I swear like in the mirror it just looked like it's too much for me. But now that I'm looking at the video, it's just like I think it's very cute. I don't know why I took it out. I'm definitely going to redo it again.
Worried about what they do.
Is it too much? What do you think? I like it, honestly. I really like it, and I don't feel like it's too much.
Every time you're looking down, yeah, lift your head and look around, and go get what you're missing. Everything you want, it can be found. Like rainfall coming down, just wash away all the.
So one won at this time, and now the hair at the back, which was neglected, I'm just basically just tying it into a bun. I didn't put any gel because like we're just going to cover it with an afro, so it doesn't really matter. I'm tying everything in together and putting that in that little bun and taking like the twist that I'm not using and placing it into the little bun as well. So basically everything goes into the bun.
Don't be afraid, it's okay. You need to know that you've got so much time to make your own way.
So now I'm going to use this DIY puffs that I did. I'm going to leave the video that I made this ones linked down below if you want to check it out. I made them by myself and I did it like quite a while ago, but I'll leave it linked, my gosh, down below. As you can see, I'm just going to tie the back and then play with the afro hair to achieve like an afro at the back. I'm only using one of them here because I didn't want the afro to be too big. If you want a bigger afro, then you can use both of them or however many you've made. So just by playing with it, because this hair is really kinky and coarse, it just covers up my little bun without me actually doing anything to it to cover the bun. At first I actually thought my bun was showing. I guess I'm overestimating the length of my hair. So it covered the little bun just like that, and then I played with it until I felt like it was the way I had pictured it in my mind.
If love is what you want, it can be sold.
But yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below. And if you're not subscribed yet, girl, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video, which will be coming up on Friday. I know this video was a day late, but you know what? I was so tired yesterday. But this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Check out my last videos. I did some awesome styles. And I'll see you on the channel on Friday. Bye.
Don't go around and waste your life worried about